Hey guys, welcome back to another Costco Keep or Return. Today we have the BlendJet portable blender from Costco currently on sale for $39.99. Originally $49.99. And online on Amazon, they're going for $39.99 to $49.99 each. So this is a great steal. You can keep one and give one. All right, so today we're camping and we thought that this would be a great addition to our camping equipment. We love to make smoothies and we have a little one, so if you have little ones and you need to make baby food on the go, this is like perfect because it's portable and small and quiet and powerful. And it comes with two USB-C charging cables, and they say it should last 15 uses on a full charge. You can use it to make smoothies, dressings, sauces, everything. So today we're camping and we're going to test it out doing some watermelon smoothies because it's really hot and we think that that will be perfect for cooling us down. Like a Tiffany's blue and a black. Okay. But you can, I think, drink right from it. So this comes off right here and easy to clean. All you do is add a little bit of soap and water and blend it and it'll clean itself. So it's a really hot day, so I'm super excited to make this watermelon smoothie. It's so simple. All you need is watermelon, ice, and maybe a little bit of water. Sugar if you prefer a little sweeter. Let's see. We add more. I like so. All right, my assistant will push the button. You decide. Go ahead, try it. Go ahead. All right, so it worked really well, really fast, super powerful. The ice is blended well, nice consistency, no ice chunks. Perfect. This is definitely going to be a keep for us. It's a great deal for a 2-pack. You can give one and keep one or keep both. It charges. The kids love it. And we can't wait to make more smoothies.